So, the question of the day: will a lawnmower run on gas line antifreeze? So I'm gonna go ahead and fill the tank up. I believe this machine runs. There's a little tiny bit of gas in there, but not enough to make a significant difference. I'm not really sure how you're supposed to get these caps off in a convenient way. I'll be back when I find something to do that with. There we go. Use a rototiller. There's one. Just fill her up. It's going to be somewhat diluted, but it's mostly going to be this stuff. I'm sure everybody has wondered this once in their life. Sorry, I'm standing in the wrong way. There. That one's empty. There we go. That's full tank of gas. Just leave that bottle there. And let's just dump this down the carburetor because primer's broken on that. So there we go. Let's see if she starts. There's a lot of grass in this dip, but wanted to run there. Let's give it a little bit more in the carburetor. There we go. See if we can get it to start. I don't know why they didn't make these just twist on, but they didn't, so they don't twist on. So very annoying. Alright, here we go again. The answer is yes, but not very well. I should do the project farm thing and see what the engine looks like before and after, but I neglected to do that, so primer does not work very well on this machine. So it doesn't like to stay running, but it does in fact run on that stuff. Weird. Alright, well, now you know.